The diagram showcases a workflow within the AWS cloud, involving various AWS services, Confluent components, and a user interaction. The core idea is to process messages, potentially related to freight or e-commerce, using Apache Kafka through Confluent and AWS Lambda. Components. User and browser. The user interacts with a web application through a browser over the Internet. Web app. This is the application the user interacts with, likely an e-commerce or freight management platform. API Gateway. Amazon API Gateway is used to create, publish, maintain, monitor, and secure APIs. It acts as the entry point for the web application to the back-end services. E-commerce app. This is the back-end application that handles e-commerce-related logic. It pushes messages to the next component. Elastic Network Interface, ENI, and ESM filtering. The ENI is a networking component in AWS. ESM filtering suggests some sort of message filtering or transformation happening here. AWS Lambda function. AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service that runs code in response to events. In the diagram, Lambda performs two main tasks. Private subnet, perform lookup. Lambda accesses an Amazon RDS, relational database service, within a private subnet to look up information. Send notification. Lambda sends a notification, likely based on the lookup result. Amazon RDS. Amazon RDS is a managed relational database service. It stores structured data. SNS, Simple Notification Service. Amazon SNS is a messaging service for application-to-application, A2A, and application-to-person, A2P, communication. It sends notifications, in this case, likely as SMS messages to the user. Amazon S3. Amazon S3, Simple Storage Service, is an object storage service. It might be used to store static assets for the web application or other data. Confluent VPC and Apache Kafka topic. This represents a Confluent cloud environment within its own virtual private cloud, VPC. Apache Kafka is a distributed streaming platform used for building real-time data pipelines and streaming applications. The Kafka topic is where messages are published and consumed. The send/receive messages arrow indicates the flow of data between the customer VPC and the Confluent VPC. Customer VPC. This represents the customer's virtual private cloud in AWS, where the e-commerce application and other services reside. Workflow. The user interacts with the web app through their browser. The web app sends requests through the API gateway. The e-commerce app receives these requests and pushes messages. The messages are filtered or transformed via the ENI and ESM filtering. An AWS Lambda function is triggered. The Lambda function looks up data from an Amazon RDS instance within a private subnet. Based on the lookup, the Lambda function sends a notification via SNS, which is delivered as an SMS message to the user. The e-commerce app also sends and receives messages to an Apache Kafka topic in the Confluent VPC.